Most fathers had jobs and mothers stayed home to look after the children. That's the way life was in those days, and people didn't have cars or telephones. They met with friends, neighbours, relatives. We made our own fun, spent a lot of time at the beach, particularly at Catnack's pool, where Mr. Charles Catnack, had made a pool out of the rocks there. He would go down and clear rocks to be a big pool where people swam and families would go to. The pool would have been about 25 yards wide and about 50 yards deep, and all built up with the rocks from the foreshore and up right out, and there was a channel for the water to come in. At high tide you could barely see the outline of the pool, but it would have been about 6 foot